McCandless Truck Center now provides 24/7 mobile maintenance repair services, expert service, when and where you need it. It's all about what's convenient for you. We service all makes and models of commercial trucks and buses throughout the state of Colorado. Our fully equipped mobile service trucks and factory-trained certified technicians have the latest in truck diagnostics software and commercial truck repair technologies. From on-site fleet repair and maintenance to DOT inspections, DPF cleanings, to 24-hour breakdown service, McCandless Truck Center is here for you. Call 303-739-9900 or visit mctrucks.com for more information.